Hi, my name is James, and today we are going to work on a system of linear equations. So we have a word problem. The price of a boat ride is $15 for a child and $40 for an adult. During a month in the summer, the boat ride company collected $50,500 and attracted 2,200 people. How many children and adults attended during that month? So what we can do here is we can create two equations. One for the number of people that went to the boat ride during the summer, and the amount of money collected. For the children, we can create the equation x plus y equals 2,200, where x is the number of children and y is the number of adults. For the second equation, for the money, we can create 15x because it is $15 for a child plus 40y, which is $40 for an adult, which equals 50,500, which is the total amount of money they collected during that month. By setting those equal to each other, we are able to find both the number of children and the number of adults that came during that month. So I multiply 15 to the first equation, so I can get 15x plus 15y equals $33,000. And we set it next to 15x plus 40y equals 50,500. And by subtracting those, we can get roughly, we will get something, because the 15x's cancel out, we will only left with y. So we will have 25y equals 3,300 minus 5,500, which is roughly about, if we go on the calculator app, because we have 3,300 minus 50,500, divide this by negative 25, we can get y equals 700. Now, to find the number of children, we can simply put it into the first equation. X plus y equals 2,200. Since x plus y equals 2,200, it would basically be x plus 700 equals 2,200. By subtracting 700 from 2,200, we're able to find the number of children. So, 2,200 minus 700 equals 1,500. So that means that they are x equals 1,500. This means that 700 adults and 1,500 children attended the boat ride during that month. Now, we can also put this into the second equation just to make sure. So we can do 15 times 1,500, which we get 22,500, plus parentheses 700 times 40, which result in $50,500, which is equal to the amount of money made during that month. This is how you solve the equation. Now we're going to go graph the equation. So to graph the equation, we simply have to change these two functions into slope-intercept form. We can do this by isolating the y. So in this situation, x plus y equals 2,200, we can simply just move the x over to the side. So this would result in y equals negative x plus 2,200. We can zoom out to look at this function right here. Now, the second function is going to be a bit complicated. What we have to do is put 15x on the other side and divide the whole equation by 40. But what we can do here is we can do y equal negative 15x plus 50,500 all divided by 4. Or 40, sorry. Now by graphing this, we get the intersection point 1500 and 700. Remember, x equals the number of children that attended the boat ride, and y represents the number of adults that attended the boat ride. And because they are 1500 and 700, they both equal what we got in the beginning, 1500 children and 700 adults. Now we can do the same thing with a data table. With the data table, we can just plug in various equations. We can just plug in various points. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can put this into the first equation, negative x plus 2200. So this would result in 2199, 2198, 2197, 2196, 2195. This may not seem like much, but when we actually zoom in, we can see that these points actually go through the line. Same thing for the second equation. If we get rid of the y's and keep the x's the same, we can do negative 15 plus 50,500 divided by 40. Which roughly equals 1,262.125. Now we can do it again. 50,500 minus 30 divided by 40 divided by 40, which equals 1,261.75. For number 3, sorry for the difficulties. I am still getting used to this computer. We get 1,261.375. Now, we don't need to complete all this, but I just wanted to let you know that looking at the graph, you can see that the points all grow through the same line. And they will continue to follow the pattern until they both reach the intersection point. Although the lines are infinitely long, this intersection point is a solution to the system of linear equations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned more about system of linear equations.